Hey, how y'all doing today? I am just going to get started with a trade recap. The markets have been moving very, very well recently, and I really do want to help you guys out. If you guys do learn something from today, just hit the subscribe button, join the free Discord. I can promise you guys this is a really good strategy. This is actual trading. Please stick through. You'll learn something, I promise you. I did get a recommendation in my comments saying they want me to draw out my trading strategy a little bit more, so I am going to just go super slow today from the top of right before market opens, what I'm marking out and what I'm thinking and all of that good stuff. So yeah. So starting today, personally for me, we have high impact news at 10 a.m. My time zone's a little different. So it says 8 a.m. for me, but it is 10 a.m. Eastern. So for me, I am marking out right here, right? I'm marking out the time as 10 a.m. I'm not taking a trade before 10 a.m. just because I don't want to be caught with a crazy wick. And I also do know on average price before news kind of chops a little bit. It's not going to be like that every time, but it's just something I have noticed. So it's part of my trading plan to not trade before high impact news. But for me, I am marking out session highs and lows every single morning, right? I am doing this both on ES and NASDAQ. I don't stick to just one pair. I don't think I trade one pair over the other pair. I personally think it is pretty even, just kind of what setup is giving me a better setup of the day. Is kind of the pair that I decided to choose, right? So looking here, and actually on NASDAQ, we are approaching high time frame liquidity. So for me coming in, this is right at 9:30. This is right before the bell rings, right? So for me, I am putting an idea in my head of the trades I want to take today, right? So my idea today, I thought we were going to come up, take out this side of liquidity, and then we go downwards, right? So I was honestly trying to look for shorts, something like this. I mean, obviously, we are way too early to take shorts like this. So, of course, I wait. I'm an observer. I'm not forcing the market. I am waiting to see what happens. And that being said, I'm still waiting until 10 a.m. before I take my trade. So what I'm doing here is I'm honestly, at this time, I'm making a coffee. I am relaxing because just so I get myself out of the charts before 10 a.m. Right? I don't want to force myself into a trade. Okay, cool. Oh god, we went a little too far ahead. Sure. So right here, going down into the 1 minute. Where's that 1 a.m.? There it is. So here is our 10 a.m. candle. We see New York session. We see some kind of bearish movement, kind of a little bit of chop. But news is now done. We actually see sell side liquidity down here get taken out, right? We see this on both pairs. Right. And then for me, I'm also looking for more conviction on the 4-hour here. We do see a fair value gap. We see a high time frame inefficiency. We see it get filled. The market is moving for pretty much 2 reasons: to fill a fair value gap or to take out liquidity. That's the easiest way I can explain it. So what we do is we actually take out our liquidity, we fill a fair value gap. And then for me, after taking out our sell side liquidity, our next objective is our buy side liquidity, which is up here, right? And then for me here, I am waiting for a 5-minute shift of structure. I want to see 5-minute be bullish. So for me, I am just waiting here, right? And then it's actually not right there. It is, where is it? Right here. Cool. So we see a few things here, right? So one, we see 5-minute turn bullish right here on this candlestick. This for me is a bullish signal. On the 1 minute, we also see internal liquidity sweep, which, sorry, let me draw this just a little better. We have an SMT, right? An internal liquidity sweeps. We see ES doesn't break below right here, right? So this is our S&T. For me, I am personally taking this trade on NASDAQ for multiple reasons, because there's more room to the upside here, right, than there was on ES. So I'm looking for the best risk to reward. Yeah. So we have taken out all of our sell side liquidity, external sell side liquidity. We have filled a higher time frame inefficiency. So our next objective is going to be our external buy side liquidity. So for me, after I see, so this was the trade, right? So this is our trade here. We put it below this low, and we are targeting this high. We didn't get the best risk to reward today, but it's not up to us. It's about what the market presented itself today. And that's what we got. We actually take this trade when this 5-minute closes here, right? We see the liquidity is being swept. We see our shift of structure go bullish, and now we are targeting our buy side liquidity, right? This model and setup, I mean, obviously, hold on, let me play it out. And this flashes a tick off, right? So this model is something that we look at every single day when we're trading the market, right? We are trading from liquidity to liquidity, especially sessions liquidity. And as we are taking out liquidity, we are generating low resistance liquidity to go to our next objective, right? So we have a bunch of reasons why we are moving upwards. We have a bunch of reasons why we had moved downwards and why we have rejections from this zone, right? So it's as simple as that. We are moving up. You go back down quickly, swiping out previous liquidity, filling efficiencies, right? We took out our sell side liquidity, and then we target our next external buy side liquidity, right? So this is a model. This is a pattern that we use every single day when trading. I did just clear my charts, but I can guarantee you all of these charts, right? I mean, you can quickly see it here. This is the same exact model, right? This is literally the same exact trade, just on a very higher scale, right? You see how this can kind of, right? Same exact trades. So these trades happen every single day. If you guys have more questions about the setup, kind of the mindset and whatnot, please join the free Discord. I'm going to leave a link in the description. Don't be hesitant to ask me questions. I'm here to help you guys. Yeah, well, I hope you guys all learned something today. This is real trading. This isn't no bull crap like, oh, we had a trend line break, let's take shorts. Like, no, we're not doing any of that stuff. We are actually trading by why the market moves. So thank you guys for watching. Really do hope you guys learned something today.